Morning people, I hope everyone's well. The day has finally come. Run out of protein powder, run out of creatine, run out of vitamins, run out of cod liver oil. So my last scoop of protein powder there, so the day has finally come. Ooh, happy Thursday, Merry Christmas, all the best. It's not a good day when you start running out of all the things. Starts getting expensive. Protein powder, creatine, magnesium, cod liver oil, what else is there? And electrolytes run out of. So, do a big bill. Big bill. What we got going on? AU's been shaping up all night, to be fair. So, well, not all night. I noticed it about 2 and then I had my eye on it after 2, so we are shaping up for, I'll show you. Shaping up for a bit of reversal on AU. See how all this weakness, I'm just seeing weakness all the way up, draw the pen. Seeing, pen, just seeing all weakness all the way up. And if we zoom in, this is what I look for. Waiting for the break of the most recent low at the minute. I set an alert, but cleanest price action we've seen on AU all month, to be honest. And then I don't know how, I'll have a look now how EU shaped up, but I'll definitely have an alert set on that. EU is kind of a bit more corrective EU, to be fair. We've broken the law already and we didn't get the reversal. We didn't get enough of an ascendant either, to be honest. So I'll need to see more of ascendant before I act on that. And there is lots of news today, so trying to avoid a bit of that. Anyway, I'll do my forecast. Oh god, I keep doing this. Leaving with my glasses on, I'm going to forget them and they'll be sat in the van for days until I forget to get them out again. I'll keep setting off late to work, just through sitting on the laptop. Not doing anything bad, just so there's the hunger and the desires there, I suppose. Just delving into the data. I'm going deep, bro, going deep in it. I was just looking over this month's, well, the morning routine, and then I was looking over this month's trades with the new entry. It's 11% up, with 33, 66.99, so it's 66% strike rate. Nearly lost. There isn't, I don't think there's been a loser on GU. GU has a high strike rate. NQ doesn't have as high strike rate, but then when you combine them together, obviously the GU takes the lows and runs out of NQ. Works NQ. I was looking at trading EU instead, but you have a lot longer runs on EU. NQ is a little bit more profitable, but I'm going to collect the data and have a look. I'm going to go try and get not too far ahead of myself. I'm going to collect the data on NQ first and then start collecting some data on EU, and if EU works out to be better to trade alongside GU in London, I'll ditch NQ and just trade EU London. EU and GU London session works for me. Then my trading day's done at 10 o'clock. Alert's just gone off for GU, taken liquidity. Yeah, that's the new entry's 11% up. I'm 2% up on my normal entry. So like, I've had a really good month. I don't think I'm gonna lose. Might lose 2 trades with my normal one. I don't think I'm gonna lose 11 trades with the other one. I don't. There's not 11 days left in the month. There's enough to 2 trades a day. Maybe it's a bit below it, but the data doesn't show that. So stick to the plan. See, but I don't think we're not too far off taking it live, to be honest. Just collect the data, Yeah. Just been grinding it out, absolutely grinding it out on the laptop. Been smashing the gym as well, that's good. Weight's been coming down, obviously been reaching a peak and then reaching a new low, so I'm not far off all-time low again. Like, reached new low last week, not too far off another low this week, so it's not too bad. I just need to start setting up a little bit earlier for work, but yeah. Whip my hair, sort it out, get it out of my face. It does need a trim, like, to be fair. Greg's salted caramel donut from Greg's. I need to get one on Sunday. It sounds absolutely fantastic. Sounds absolutely fantastic. Anyway, just talking about data, but yeah, that's it. All the data, collect the data. Oh, using ChatGPT as an accountability partner. I told you're accountable. So I'm going to share some of my goals. I've shared some of my goals. I'm going to share some of my quarterly goals with it, and then see how we can move the needle. It's the most intelligent thing man has ever came across the scene, or something like that. Go listen to the Modern Wisdom podcast. I'm literally doing what he said on there to do. Just give it a go. I'm going to try it. Instant feedback as well. Happy Thursday the 24th, all the best. Been chattering on here for 5 minutes, so get the graft. Get to the graft. Now then people, the audio might be a bit bugged, so the floors on the floor. How's things? How is everyone? Yeah, that's my intro. Finished work, I'm going home, no gym, nice chill night. Gonna hit an hour on the laptop, do some nighttime routine, just forecast basically. Forecast a little bit of data entry, just comparing the flow and the daily currently. And then I am gonna chill with Rebecca, chill night. It's Rebecca's night. Took one short on GU, hit TP 2%. And I'm in NQ long from the New York session. That was, I think it's at break even. That's not much. Set and forget lads. Something on, set and forget. No waiting up for the night. No trade. The trade for my normal entry didn't set up. But yeah, probably going to be looking at. I've only got a bit more data to entry because I'm doing the comparison now. Because I've noticed. I traded on the daily, but I've noticed what happens on the 4 hour. And I've collected quite a bit, a couple of years worth of data. There's quite a lot of data I've got on it. So I'm maybe looking to take it live with a few prop accounts. It's attached to a small prop account now, just to give me some skin in the game and see how I react to position sizes and things like that. But I might connect it to a couple more end of the month. So yeah, I think I'm not on live capital because you need how much you need. You need a few quid for the contract sizes and the stop loss sizes. So I don't know exactly how much. What did I work out? 5k, I think 5 grand. I think you put into it. But we'll see. I may not. We'll have a look. Yeah, futures is a bit different, isn't it? So in forex with the leverage and things like that. I don't know if I get left. It might be okay. It might be with 5 and 1 leverage. I'm gonna have to read into it. All I've done is connect the account. Anyway, yeah, look, check connected account and look at the patterns. Anyway, that's me on the way home. Hungry man as well, pretty hungry. I don't know why. I don't know if it's heat or I don't know. Another walk day. And a wagon is next to me now, so Jesus Christ! Anyway, see you in a bit. see what this is like. So, we have our decaf coffee, you're trying it for a bit now. There's definitely a difference in the decaf. It's not too bad, cookies and cream, it's not so bad. But it's not full coffee, yeah. Anyway, this is the shot I took earlier on, as you can see. Morning people, happy Friday. It's 5:15, just making myself another cup of coffee there because I've run out of tea bags. So yeah, that's what's happening. That's what's happening in my life currently this morning. So I've just fired up the cafetiere. Would be nice to have a coffee out the machine, but we're having a coffee out the cafetiere. I've gone for some coffee out of Tesco just for quickness. So I'll see what it's like. See what it tastes like. It's separated in the thing. Anyway, it's Friday. Morning. We're just doing the usual, driving to work, and I'm pulling in now. I've got the old camera up. That's strapped behind me. Just got nothing to say really. What can I say? The trades at break even. EU's descended. EU's ranging, waiting for that to break. Look to get involved in that. Yeah, NQ's just at break even. We've just swept some liquidity on GU again, so I'll just be watching that over the next few hours unless it invalidates itself. So yeah, just steady away really. Steady away. Hopefully the weather warms up. It's not near 15 degrees, but I'm going to put a fleece on anyway. So yeah, see ya in a bit after a day's, I was going to say graft office, not graft, just a day at work. Shooting had waves. Right, see you in a bit. Now then, I've just left work. I'm having a quick coffee on the drive home. Whoa, turbo's going on that. Absolute whistling. I'm having a drive home, having a quick coffee before the gym. Shouldn't have put this jumper on like it's red hot. I had another winner on GU. It's crazy to me that I haven't stumbled across it, that I've created it and it's doing this. I've seen it in the back test, but then obviously when you see it in live testing, it's up 13% or something now. I'm gonna have to take this off because it feels like getting red hot. It's up, no, 15% it's up this month, and I'm in a trade and we've just swept there, so a quarter to I'll be looking to get to buy again NQ. I'm already in NQ buy, so I'm set and forget. I'll be looking to buy again. We're up 15% on the knot on this entry, and then 2% up on my GU, on my normal entry, which is 17%. I've not upped that for 6 months. I mean, I've seen the back testing results. GU alone done 30% the first quarter back tested my new entry. It's alright seeing it in testing, but till you see it come into fruition, you're like, what the hell have I stumbled across? I suppose the journey is the journey. You stick to the journey and ride it out, and then all of a sudden, next thing you know, you're just whacking the trades. I don't know. It's crazy to think, but we'll keep moving forward, keep plucking, keep firing away, keep taking the trades, and 17% for the month. That's my best month. It's my best month. Well, it hasn't ended yet, but 17% up currently. My best month this year is 4%, and I think coming for the 6 month there, I think I was only maybe up 1 or 2%. It was pretty much break even year for me. I think that was a lot to do with a lot of things, a mentor leaving me and things like that, and then I've had to overcome that. It took me 6 months to overcome it, but then I've overcome it by creating my own thing. So wait, I'll see. I probably won't video me getting into the trade, but if I've get into it, I'll let you know that I've got into it. Yeah, so just trading the 15. It's crazy. Another winner this morning. So I'm in a trade now. So if I get another trade, them two slap, there's 4%. Or if I get in another trade now and then they both slap me out, it's only -2. It's nothing, you know, on a 17% month. Crazy. It's a bit yeah, I know. Well, it obviously has hot streaks. It's had hot streaks over the past couple of years, testing it, and obviously I've already started live trading it, forward testing it on a hot streak. But it's like the take. I'm sure NQ was like averages 6% a month or something. I think it's 4%, 6 or 4% a month. So that in itself is retirement fund. You know what I mean? Of mine, GU. I think that like 7 trade win streak, and then you'll have a 1 trade loss, and then the next trade is generally a winner on GU over my data, which is just ridiculous. And I'm seeing it now, so glad that I'm executing on it, glad that I'm taking the trades. But yeah, finish this coffee, see where this candle closes, quick tap on the phone to buy, and then gym push session. I need to work on my lower raspberry ripple. I think I'm going to try and see if I can push some more weight today. So yeah, up my weights, hour on the bike, well 30 minutes on the bike, 300-400 calories, see how I'm feeling. I've been generally doing like 370, half an hour, because the bike is better in this gym. It's a spinning bike, which I was going on like one of them leisurely ones that all the old women sit on in the last one. So yeah, anyway, that's me. I might pop to Nana Jean, see her later on. Ordered a safety flap for the lawnmower and a new blade, so the safety flaps that now, so I might go drop that off anyway. Yeah, alright, I'll catch you in a bit. Yeah, we're about 10 minutes later. I just pulled over, call me mental, call me whatever you want to. Pulled over in just a housing estate on the way out. We just waited 2 minutes for the candle to close. Executed it, collecting the data. If you trading 400k and the trade was setting up, would you pull over to take it? Yeah, obviously not do it dangerously or try not to do it on the phone. One thing I did notice there is how fast NQ moves. It was the entry level it needed to close above was like flickering to the last 5 seconds. I normally enter 5 seconds before the candle closes, 10 seconds, 5 seconds, and it just shot above it as it thingied on the candle opened about 7 pips, ticks, handles, whatever, away. But I'd already clicked market execute on the thing, and it just got me in high. Yeah, so like 7 points away or whatever it is. Not the 0.0, it's the points. So yeah, I'll keep you informed of it. So now I've got like 2% risk, set and forget on NQ. I'll let you know what the outcome of them is. Ride the wave, boys, ride the wave. I've just been in the gym. Quick walks I've just been to the gym, and tails are flying all over the back. I'm going to help Adam with this setup. I'm just on the phone to him, and I talk about margin from him. And then he asked for a lift with some subwoofers down some stairs, or up some stairs, because he's got a setup. So if you're in the Middlesbrough area and you need to rent some DJ equipment, decks and effects on YouTube, give them a message, see what they can do, give you a price or whatever, you know what I mean? Got a party going on, whatever. Shout out, plug. I want some commission. If anyone books up Adam, Chicken George on the commission bandwagon, sign ups, link in the description. Yeah, anyway, so I'm gonna go have him set up. So I might show a little video on here. Something different than going home and sitting on the charts. Yeah, do the same thing. Something a bit different. Yeah, so I'll see you in a bit. Catch you in a bit. Pick up the camera. fine. That's setup. Something different. An hour, help out. Nice to help out, isn't it? I have the trade's just hit TP, the NQ trade again, obviously. So it's like, was it 15% or 17% or something? I don't know, something mental. And then we're still in the other. There's one long running from yesterday, which is 1% up. So yeah, basically just I'll close that before 9 o'clock, before the market close, before spread hours generally close it. See where it is. If it's in DD drawdown, I'll close it and draw down at loss. If it's in profit, I'll close it in profit. If it's I thought it was pulling out a minute. If it's in DD, I'll close it. If it's TP, it's TP. Just whatever. Just ride it out, ride the wave. Turn up on Monday, ready to execute. Not getting big-headed about it. Staying grounded. And yeah, if it's TP, I think we might pass the challenge that I had. Or yeah, we'll have a look anyway. We'll see what it is. Alright, in a bit. One time. There's our trade I was talking about. Got in TP. I actually sent the TP wrong. TP was set up here. It's a quick lesson for me. And then we're still in this trade from yesterday, which is set and forget, so I'll just be waiting for this. Probably going to be, what the hell did it go? Probably going to be closing it before market close, so just close out this trade here. Okie dokie. Children, just drink a couple of coffees and wait for the builder to come up, down the man. I'll leave my hand labouring. Get after it, lads. Moving many bricks, mixing cements.